Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to tell you how to deal with a rolling blackout inside of Abiotic Factor, because you might look inside of your chat box when you come back from taking a tinkle and see that it says that a rolling blackouts have been reported. So you have to go back to the office sector, at least usually you have to go back to the office sector. This can happen and spawn in other places to my understanding, but you have to go back to the main office sector, and there we're going to do battle with a large Power Leech, which sort of becomes a thing in and around the time when you get to the hydroelectric plant area in the game. So somewhere around here, up there it is, there's that giant Power Leech. Hard to miss it, it's the size of a freight train. We're gonna kill this guy real quick, get him out of the way, and then we need to deal with this thing, which will randomly zap at us as it drains power from all over the area. I assume we need to shoot it in the power core. I was AFK the last time my teammates on this server had to kill this thing, but you just shoot it a whole bunch and it will eventually die. There we go. So now it's dead, and that's the conclusion of the Rolling Blackouts event. Now there will be no more Rolling Blackouts, at least until it spawns again. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.